You're on board the news track. Newly appointed BJP Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia took charge of the Civil Aviation Ministry today, and the Congress took a swipe at Rahul Gandhi's former aide. Congress's B.V. Srinivas tweeted a cartoon showing the Air India Maharaja greeting Scindia and saying both are up for sale.
The recipient of that famous wink was none other than this man. Lighting up TV screens in the run-up to the 2019 election, it was also a rare sign of the bonhomie of Rahul Gandhi and Jyotiraditya Scindia. But boy, have things gone downhill since this viral moment in 2018. Not only did Jyotiraditya ditch the Congress less than 2 years later, Scindia is now India's new Civil Aviation Minister, just like his father once was. But in the cutthroat world of Congress-BJP politics, Jyotiraditya's old camaraderie with Rahul Gandhi and also Priyanka means nothing at all. And that fact was proven in public today. In this cartoon posted by popular Youth Congress chief B.V. Srinivas, an acidic cartoon painting Jyotiraditya Scindia as a sellout, and that both Air India and the new Civil Aviation Minister are, after all, for sale.
को सिर्फ लॉलीपॉप दिया गया, ये बात जो लोग कह रहे हैं वो गलत नहीं है। जो हमारी सरकार थी, कांग्रेस की सरकार थी, चुनी हुई सरकार थी, उसको गिराकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को वहाँ स्थापित किया, तो उसका कुछ ना कुछ तो उसका बदला मिलना ही था। तो अपने राजनीतिक भविष्य को ध्यान में रखकर उन्होंने फैसले लिए हैं।
A low blow perhaps, but not surprising given the acrimony over high-profile exits from the Congress's former A-team. Last month, when Jitin Prasada similarly dumped the Congress to jump to the BJP, official Congress Twitter accounts likened his exit to the trash being taken out. Prominent women faces of the party, Khushbu Sundar and Priyanka Chaturvedi, were both publicly rebuked by Congress leaders as opportunists when they dumped the party. The latest swipe at the former Team Rahul member and one who was close enough to be part of Rahul's most viral moment is now fair game. Call it what you want, a sign of indignation over Jyotiraditya's political rise, or a reminder that with election season ahead, political temperatures won't be ebbing anytime soon. All's fair in love and all's fair in war. Bureau Report, India Today.